class, 2008 Samui Regatta, Andrew Short and Constanza.
Can I just have a quick word? Sailing's a great sport and we all love to do it and everybody can't win. And to win you need to have a great crew and if they're all great athletes that's a big help. So I'd just like to bring my crew of athletes up onto the stage. Imagine what we would have done if we could have beat India this week.
Scott. I can't take it.
We'd like to thank all the sponsors. We'd like to thank the other competitors. This is without a doubt the best regatta we've ever done. And one thing you can show on is we'll be back again next year. Thank
In the cruising class, John Stool and Princess Shana.
Come on, kids. Up, kids.
First place multi-hull class today, Nevertal, Toby O'Connell. Samui International Yacht Regatta 2008 in first place in their first time at Samui Regatta, Matt Allen and Itchy Man. never seen a regatta better organised off the water. We've had just a ball. Every day it's been party after party, and this is certainly no exception tonight. Thanks very much to the crew. A couple of times we got ourselves into backs against the wall, especially when panic got in front of us yesterday, and we didn't panic, and we got ourselves back out of jail. So it's a great effort, and we certainly look forward to coming back here again next year. And it's been terrific to see 3 yachts here from the Cruising Yacht Club of Australia.
In second place, in the IRC2 class, Jeff Davidson and Penny. In the IRC2 class, 2008, in third place, Jonathan Mahoney and Happy Ending. In second place, in the sports boat class, Yoki Siam and Ice Buckets. Yeah, moving on to the sports boat class. In third place again, Nick Kruger and Moon Shadow.
Congratulations, Nick.
And in the sports boat class, Samui International Yacht Regatta 2008, Gibson Beck and Pornstar.
Give a great hand of applause to Marty. He does a great job. Thank you very much for the honour. And of course, sailing is not a single-handed sport. Thank you to my team for allowing me to get a Johnny R. Mark and